Side view demonstration. Front view explanation. Step your right foot to the right. Follow with your left foot, stepping forward. Turn your body 90 degrees. Circle both hands in front of your chest. Then exert force outward with both hands. Shift your weight to the right foot. Left foot empty, close the knees to protect the groin. Look straight ahead. Step back with yin-yang palms. Front demonstration. Repeating the demonstration. Side demonstration. Repeating the demonstration. Demonstration complete.